The title of the notes, Discriminant of the Quadratic Formula. Two essential questions. One, what is the discriminant? Two, what does it tell us about the roots, which are also called solutions, or zeros, of a quadratic equation? Discriminant. I'm going to use D to abbreviate this for the rest of the video. That's not a standard notation, but it will be for us here. Recall our standard form of a quadratic equation: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The discriminant will be equal to b squared minus 4ac. Recall also our quadratic formula: x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So the discriminant is the underneath part, the radicand of this expression. Okay. So that's what the discriminant is. The discriminant is the b squared minus 4ac portion. So what does it tell us? What does D? If D is greater than 0, then we are going to have two real solutions. Real solutions as distinguished from our complex I solutions that we've recently been talking about. And since there are two real solutions, graphically that's going to be a parabola that intersects the x-axis twice. By two real solutions, we mean two x-intercepts. One, two. If the discriminant is exactly 0, we will have one real solution. Graphically, that will be one x-intercept. a parabola with vertex on the x-axis. One x-intercept. If the discriminant is less than 0, that is, it's negative, there will be no real solutions. We will have two I solutions, two complex solutions, but they will definitely have an I component. Graphically, this will be no x-intercepts. No x-intercepts. All right. One more important note about the discriminant. If the discriminant is a perfect square, by perfect square I mean 1, 4, 9, 16, ... 25, and so forth, then the quadratic is factorable. Important note. Set the equation equal to 0 before finding the discriminant. Just like when using the quadratic formula. So we might have to employ additive inverse. For instance, if you're given x squared plus 7x equals 12, we would first subtract 12 from both sides, yielding x squared plus 7x minus 12 equals 0. Then we would identify our a, b, and c. A being 1, the coefficient of my squared term. B being positive 7. And c being minus 12. That concludes this video.